You can't see in front of here. You're gonna get all wet. You're gonna hit by hail. Yeah, no.
That's hail?
That is hail.
So do like you hear it? Just call recording.
Oh man, it's hail. There you go. That's a better window.
That is hail. Why did we lose power? Power out. We have it out right now.
You should pick up the things around it first. You should let people help and pick up the things around it. And then after all of that's gone, to have a good area. Yeah. I thought that was Mallory for a second.
Hi.
Oh, what did that tree do to me? That one tree that we picked up. Like it hurt my wrist. That's why. Wait, you did your wrist too? Yes, it hurt my wrist. I'm good though.
Hey, Meta. Wow. Alright, let's check out this storm damage. Look how bad it is. Wow. 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 Hey, Meta. Hey, Meta. Hey, Meta. Hey, Meta. Meta. So let's get on the side of the street.
I haven't seen your street, Kelly, today.
No, it is bad.
Kelly,
It is bad.
Kelly, do you know where your street ends?
Yeah? That is bad. Yeah.
Left, see the fork where the sidewalk is blocked off?
No.
Kelly,
Look at this.
you are
block, it's worse. Oh, okay. Bye. Bye. Yeah. This is my house. Does my house look worse or bad? Yeah, this one, me and Adam lifted this tree today. We lifted it. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, that was crazy, I know. Yeah, this one right here too. Oh, the one lifted on the power line by Bryn Mawr? This one, this one me and Adam lifted. The one behind you. We lifted that. I know, I saw that.
Okay, now let me show you.
Oh yeah, I saw Park too, right? Did you see this one? I was recording it today. Shimoon, I have no generator, and I just say Portillo. Yes, I saw that today. That's the worst tree I saw today. It was literally in the middle of the road.
Where's Adam? What? Okay. Wanna go to my street so you can let it. Oh, you got your street.
Yeah, let's go to yours.
Wanna know what happened?
What?
It was that big.
What did he do?
The first
He moved it?
he moved this like 2 feet. Look at this hole. Come, look at this hole. This whole thing came from up there.
Yeah, it was on here. How did?
Look what he moved. That hole was from that. Like, I did a solid job by doing
Same.
a lot over here. Wait, did you do anything here to help?
Not here, but I did by my house. I did by Adam's house.
Like, right
For you know the Media's Church parking lot, right? You guys like both live right by it.
Right there?
Right by Adams on Woodworth and Rush.
Right there.
On
Like,
Rush,
right
yeah.
there. Like,
That
right
one.
across my house.
Yeah, that
Like
one.
That,
So like
the church right
eh,
there. Right there.
the Media's Church right by Adam.
Right here.
I don't know
The
what
church
one.
is right there.
Yeah, that one right there on Rush. But
Kelly,
Yeah.
what do your glasses do?
it's
She's
it's my-
recording right now.
it's my mom's, but it's like
recording.
it's Meta, so
Okay.
they're my mom's. But she let me borrow them. She let me borrow them to see extra damage, and it would. And when after the recordings are saved, they go on my mom's phone.
Okay.
But that's
Let
crazy.
me and Riley show you what we found on that parking lot right there.
Okay.
You probably already
My
seen
phone,
it, but it was like
my phone's at 2%, and I don't know when the next time I'm able to charge it once the power turns back on.
Look at this.
I had Portillo's like 5 minutes ago in the dark.
Kelly,
Yeah,
look at this. Not this. Not this.
yeah. Wait, he moved this too?
No. That was already like that.
Oh,
Look at this.
yeah, Dad, the huge pine tree with the roots. Did you see that today? I have been living in this town for only 6 years, but I have never seen something like this. Even like the EF0 tornado like a few years ago, that one.
God,
This one is way worse.
there's a vape right here.
Bro.
There's a vape. Should I just show it?
Yeah.